Today I'm going to be taking you through Google's different campaign types and how this might align with your business goals. Welcome to Leap. We set up Learn E-commerce with Ad People as a channel to help business owners at the very start of their e-commerce journey navigate different e-commerce spheres such as Google, different website platforms, as well as other areas. Before choosing your campaign type, you need to have a little think about what your business goals actually are. Different campaign types are suited to different types of marketing goals. So that can be your overall key performance indicators, it can be your brand objectives, and also just how much time you have to invest within the campaign itself. All of these factors need to be taken into consideration before you actually select your campaign type. When you go through the setup of the campaign, Google will give you a bit of an indication as to what types of campaign are suited to different types of marketing goals. First off, we'll look at search ads. These are text-based ads that appear on Google when users search for your products or services by triggering related keywords. If your goal is to drive sales, leads, or even just traffic to your website, then this campaign type would be a good fit for you. They're relatively easy to set up and don't require the use of additional creative assets. It's just a case of adding keywords and text-based ads to the campaign, and can be quite highly specific as well if you really drill down into the specific keywords you're wanting to use. If you're a retailer looking to promote your products on Google, then shopping campaigns are usually a good choice for this. They allow you to show your product imagery, business information, review ratings, and the product title across the Google search and shopping tabs. In order to create a shopping campaign, you will need to set up a Google Merchant Center account. This is essentially just so that Google can verify your business and sales information before promoting your products. If you sell through a physical store and not just online, then local campaigns could be the right campaign type for you. These campaigns can help bring visitors to your physical storefront. These campaigns are able to be displayed across Maps, Search, Display, as well as YouTube. In order to set up local campaigns, you will need to have active location extensions enabled on your account, or to have a business profile set up and linked to your Google Ads account. Local campaigns are not only used to drive physical traffic to your store, but they can also be used to promote offers, sale periods, and display important information such as where your store is actually located, as well as the hours of operation. Display campaigns are image-based ads that are able to show on Google's display network and also on Google-owned properties such as YouTube. Display ads are able to reach a really vast audience due to their low average cost per clicks and the fact that they show on other websites that users are browsing on. These campaign types can be really beneficial if your marketing goals are to either promote brand awareness or to maybe retarget users who have previously been on your website before. This ensures that you're recapturing the attention of users whilst they may not actively be searching for your products. There are two different types of display campaigns, so standard and smart. A smart campaign will simplify your setup and is a fully automated campaign. Standard campaigns, however, take a little bit more setting up, but they allow you to have more control over your overall targeting and things like bids. Video campaigns are campaign types that allow you to show video content on either YouTube and other websites. These campaigns, like display, can be really good for promoting brand awareness and, again, remarketing back to users who have previously interacted with your website. If you're looking to drive sales or signups, then this is also a good campaign type to consider. There are a number of different video campaign types that you can use, and these include drive conversions or video action campaigns, custom video, video reach, outstream, influence consideration, and ad sequence. So next up, we'll be running through app campaign types. Now, these campaign types are only really relevant to your business if you do actually already have an app set up. This is because Google uses information from your app in order to promote your ads across the search network, discover, play, and display. App campaigns can be beneficial if your business goals are to generate installs, engagements, or signups for your app from mobile device. We've briefly already mentioned smart campaigns with the use of smart display campaigns. However, the term smart usually just relates to any of Google's fully automated campaign types. You can also create smart search campaigns where Google essentially takes some of your business information, some relevant keywords, and can use this to optimize targeting to relevant users across the web. As these campaign types are fully automated, it can mean that you have less control over your audience targeting and also things like bidding strategies. This can sometimes result in slightly decreased performance. You also have slightly less access to overall data generated from the campaigns, and this can mean that you can't always identify key areas of growth within the account. If you've set up a new Google Ads account, this will have likely been done in smart mode, and so all the campaigns that you'll create will be a smart campaign. The final campaign type that we'll be looking at today is Performance Max. Performance Max is a new campaign type that Google have brought out more recently. It allows you to show your ads across all of Google's inventory. That includes search, shopping, display, discovery, Gmail, and YouTube. This can be a really good campaign type if your marketing goals are to drive sales, leads, and even in-store visits or promotions as well. These campaign types are relatively easy to set up. You just need to make sure that you have creative image assets and video content for the display and YouTube side of things. You will also need to have Google Merchant Center account set up if you are wanting to show your products on the shopping channel as well. The campaign type does also use automated bidding strategies and audience targeting in order to connect you with users who are searching for your products or services across Google's channels. Thanks for watching. I hope that the information in today's video has been useful. If you are setting up any of the campaign types that we've gone through in today's video and you've got any questions or you're having difficulty setting them up, please feel free to leave comments below and I'll try and answer any questions that people have. If you've not already, please feel free to subscribe, and if you're interested in hearing more from us, please click on the bell icon to get post notifications as well.